Hi, this is BMW 2 Series 2019. If you have this problem, if you have this problem, this is for you. Right, got the faulty codes. There is a many faulty codes, but this is the my main concern. Telecommunicate battery, emergency battery, hardware faulty. Yeah, and TCB function limited of last state call, and another faulty code for the TCB. But however, my main concern battery hardware. Basically, this is indication of the faulty of the battery. Now we have some idea what we have to do. Right. Let's go to the battery, and this the battery got from the BMW. If you want to part number, you know the part numbers. Right. Okay. And this battery located under knee here. When you do it very gently care with nice clean hand, because otherwise this upholstering will get dirt. You can see someone already try here. There is a marks. Yeah. Anyway, when you do it very gently, carefully. You can see this side, this clip missing, and this side still there. Someone already tried to do the job or something ongoing, but anyway, it's not a problem. I'm going to do my best to make it nice. Right, we need to remove this clip. Before that, I'm going to clean my tool. I don't want to make it the mark there, because we are using day-to-day basis like this tool. You can see little bit dirt. Right, okay, now we need to remove this clip. Just fly out. Right, yeah. What happened before, someone tried to fly out from here, that's why this clip missing. You need to go in between here, just fly out, then the bottom section, you can see bottom section come out, then after that you are fine. Okay, now next step, little bit lift up here and open the upholstering here. Right, it's bit awkward place in the back. You can see this clip here, you can see this tiny knob here. What you need to do, put your finger behind here, you can see this one, just pull, then it will come out. Right, then after that, underneath here battery, this is very delicate, you need to press in this one and take the flap out. But most time if it break, you need to put the tape here, but I'll do my gently care. I'm doing this one many times, but 80% this flap will break. We'll see how is the going on today. We need to do gently press in this tab and take out. It's bit hard operation, but now it's okay. This time I'm success. Then after that we need to take out this battery from the back side like this, and take out. It's going one way. You can see this one going one way. This is the bottom. Then I'm going to check the old battery and new battery. This is the new battery. Yeah, but slightly upgrade the part numbers. Yeah, okay, I'm going to install new battery. Right, just press into the slot. You can see in the bottom connection sit on nicely. Then after that you can close the flap. You can hear tick sound. Now next step, you need to line up this connector. Inside there is another connector. You can see it's going through the slot. Then after that, little bit behind in here, behind slot. Then it's going to the slot. You can see that's the slot. Yeah, I'll do it now. Just lined up for the place and push in. It will go in nicely. When you do the job, you know what I mean exactly. Yeah, right. Right. It's click in. When it's click in, you can hear like a click noise now. It's all in. Right. Then after that, we need to go to the front. Yeah, I think I don't want to do anything from here. Right. Okay. Install to the place. And I'll install the clip later. Then after that, I'm going to clean surround this area. Right. Let's go to the computer and we'll see what's going on. At the moment, I didn't do anything. I'm just replace the battery and I'll start the car and have a look. Any warning there? Right. Start the car. Yeah, still SOS system failure. Right. What you need to do, log into the computer and reset this faulty code. Enter. Continue. Read faulty codes. You can see this is the 3 faulty codes. Now I will clear all DTC. Completed. Yeah, no DTC. Go back. Read faulty codes. No DTC. Now what I need to do, switch off the car and start the car. Have a look at the dashboard. Right, job success. But I'm not going to stop here. Now you know this button. Yeah, I'm going to hit this button and press this red button. Right, we'll see is this work. Yeah, it's ringing. That's a good sign. Hiya. Sorry, I'm calling from Sanu Motors. Just check because we replaced the battery. Just checking the system working. Thank you.
I understand, sir. I'm glad to hear that you're fine. Do you want to confirm something from the information that we have from the vehicle?
Would you mind let us know? I'm the garage, but let us know. I'll pass the customer.
I'm sorry, sir. Can you please repeat again?
I'm calling from Sanu Motors. Basically doing the repair for the SOS battery. But if you won't pass the message to me, I can pass message to the customer.
Of course, sir. Then I will just terminate the call if you want me to.
Yeah, please, would you mind? Thank you.
Of course. Please also remember that we're available 24 hours a day in case you need police, ambulance, or fire brigade. Have a good day, sir. Take care.
You too. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Bye. Right. Okay. Switch. Emergency call ended. Right. Okay. Now you all know how to replace the battery, reset the warning light, and check the battery. All fine. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video.